Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Glory Family channel. So guys, today I am going to be showing you guys one simple and very easy recipe I found on YouTube and is working so well. And I have used this recipe for about 2-3 months and it's working for me. I don't use it every day. I use it maybe once in 3 weeks or once in 2 weeks or once in a week, anytime. Okay, I don't use it always, but it works really well. Okay, please stay tuned. Let me show you the real recipe of how to make or how to whitening your teeth like real whites in just 3 minutes or less. Okay, so let's go right into the video. Okay, let's go in right now, as in right now. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing, I am going to be demonstrating. This is just a demo on how you are going to be doing it. I don't want to talk too much. I'll just demonstrate it in the video. Okay, so first thing you see there I have is my lemon and my ginger and my new toothbrush and my toothpaste. Okay, you can use any toothbrush, toothpaste, Colgate, anyone, egal. Okay, and I have my baking soda, my bicarbonate. Okay, so that's all the ingredients we have, and a spoon and a grater to grate the ingredients. Okay, so let me leave you to watch and see how I do everything and mix everything together. I will first start by peeling my ginger. Grate it with my grater. I'll grate as much as I can. If the ginger is too much, you can just leave half of it. So right now I'm done. This is the end product of what I got, even though it's much, but yeah, I'll be using this for me and my husband, so it will just do. So I'll just move into cutting the lemon and putting the juice with the ginger. After squeezing in the lemon, I'll just add quarter teaspoon of baking soda or a teaspoon, depending on how liquid your product is. So then I added the toothpaste and then I mix everything together. That is it. Mix it properly and then I'll go do the demonstration for you all. Okay. So this is my end product. If yours is too watery, you can add some more Colgate. For me, I'm not going to be adding any more Colgate. I will just use mine like this. I like it light. The other time it was thick and I was like, the Colgate is more than the rest of the ingredients, but today I'm going to try and let it just running, okay? But sometimes it's best for it to be thick so that it will stay and it will be more foamy, and yeah, so just do the way you like. If yours is too watery, just add some toothpaste, okay? And the color of my product, as you can see, changed because of the toothpaste, okay? But don't worry, that doesn't change anything. It will still work perfectly. So right now I'm demonstrating it for you guys. Brush, 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 brush. I'm just going to brush for some minutes, guys. Keep watching. Guys, can you see that? Can you see the big difference? That is a big difference. Big difference. So guys, try it out and tell me what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As you can see, my teeth are all white and I am loving it. Tell me what you think in the comment section below, and if you're going to try this recipe, it really works. Give it a try and you see the changes immediately. Okay guys, trust me when I say so. Give it a try and tell me what you think, okay? I know it will definitely work. If it works for you, also you can feel free to share the recipe with your subscribers or family members, and come back. If you're not a content creator, come back and tell me how it feels after using it. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next one. I'm feeling my teeth. Oh my god, I look weird.